Today we're going to modify Redmi Note 7 battery to 5000 mAh. Let's get started. This Redmi Note 7 battery is not working anymore, so we're going to replace it with a modified 5000 mAh battery. Step 1. Heat up the back cover to soften the adhesive. Remove the back cover using a prying tool. Remove the flex cable bracket. Disconnect the flex cables. Remove the old faulty battery. Prepare the new battery with higher capacity. Remove the battery protection board seal. Remove the battery protection board from the original battery. Remove the battery protection seal from the new battery. Remove the battery protection board from the new battery. Test the new battery positive and negative polarity. Check the battery protection board polarity. Align the battery protection board to the battery properly. Solder the battery protection board to the new battery. Test the battery connector if the polarity is installed properly. Seal the battery protection board properly to avoid short circuit. Install the modified battery to the phone properly. Plug in the battery connector and the other flex cables in place. Turn on the phone and test if it is working perfectly. Test if the quick charging is working perfectly. Place back the flex cable brackets. The battery is a little bit thicker. Putting more adhesive on the frame contacts is the best solution to cover up the small gap. Attach the back cover in place. Use clip to properly align the back cover, and let it dry for 3 to 5 hours for best results.
Thank you for watching.
Jackson.